Here's a really interesting set of features known as button and gesture shortcuts. Now this can be found on some Xiaomi phones and some Poco phones. Not every phone will have this, but if it does, here's where you can go to find it. If you have the late Android 15 and HyperOS 2 on your Xiaomi or Poco phone, what you want to do is go into the home settings to find these features. So long press a blank area on your home screen like this, and you'll see the settings option, which is for the home screen settings. Once you tap on it, this is going to pop up and you'll see where it says more. As you tap on more, you're going to see the different home screen options, and part of the home screen options is the navigation system, which is found to the bottom here. Once you enter into the navigation system, you'll have to understand that this feature is only available when you are using the navigation buttons, which is these right here. So once this is enabled, you'll see the option to go into button shortcuts. And once you enter here now, you'll be able to choose what the long press of these functions are. So these can be used to access certain features and functions and not just accessing the Google Assistant or whatever it is that you might have had it on as the Mi AI or so. So you have the long press the menu button. So when you long press the menu button, you will show the menu mode, which usually is like this here, right? So you can also go ahead and set it to turn on the flashlight. So when I long press the menu button now, you'll notice the flashlight is now on. So that's one of the cool ways of making use of this button shortcut features. And now you can go down and set which ones will actually do what. So for example, the back button, which is this one here right now, will just simply go back as it usually does. But when you choose the long press function, you can access something else. So maybe I want to now go ahead and have it take a screenshot. So I'll set it to take a screenshot, and when I long press the back button, it's gonna go ahead and make a screenshot for me, which is a pretty cool set of features. And if you didn't know about these features, go ahead and let me know in the comment section and try it out for yourself. You also have a combination of having the home and the power button. So you can now either maybe launch the digital assistant or take a screenshot again, turn on the flashlight. So let's turn on the flashlight one here, and you can not have more than one of the same function per feature. So you'll have to have only one. So for example, you can only have one of these set for flashlight, and you can't have both of them have flashlight. So now it's the power and the home. So the circle one is your home and the power button is here. So we'll go ahead now and hold them down together and see what's going to happen. And as you can see, it works. So this is not necessarily holding down, you're just pressing them together for this to work. So home and power button, here we go. So you can see that I turned off my phone here. So it's a matter of getting this together. And now you can see the light is on. All right, so cool stuff. And do the same thing again. And then there you go, it's off. All right, so let me know in the comment section, like and sub.